Hey guys, it's me, Gary Lee Stanley, your sales guy. How are you doing today? Today we're going to talk about our favorite subject, which is sales. All right, we got a cool subject for ourselves, so let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Oh, we better not dive into that. That's what you call a green pool. You know, I sell real estate and I also help in the pool business. I work in the pool business. I help people buy services, clean their pools, maintain their pools, motors, heaters. We do it all. Okay, so when you run across a situation where you have a pool that's green, that is kind of a lot of pain for a customer, because see, that means they haven't used it in a while, or it hasn't been used in a while, or maybe something's broken. It could be the motor is broken. It maybe needs to be completely re-cleaned. It may need to have somebody just empty the pool. But we're also running into a situation where, if you see here, it's also got foundation cracked, so you don't want to take too much water out of the pool and then it end up causing a problem as far as being able to take care and do a good job when you have to do a green to clean. Okay, sometimes you even have to do what they call an acid bath to be able to clean the walls to make sure everything is perfect. Now, this one does have some debris and stuff inside, you know, the pool heads, and also inside the motor area. So we really do need to make sure that everything's working properly when we're trying to sell a pool service on this. Plus, we don't want to cause more damage. We want to make sure that the pool looks good, but we also need to do it safely, and we also want to make sure that it's going to be fixed for the customer so they can enjoy a beautiful pool. Check out how beautiful this property is. And they're right on the river. So if you're right on the river, you might not want to go jump in the river. You might want to go jump in your pool. And see, one of the things that I like about working in the pool business is that you get to talk to a lot of people who got really nice houses, and also get an opportunity possibly to sell their house down the road, or if they are a brand new homeowner, walking through the process of getting their pools maintained, serviced, cleaned up, adjusted, troubleshooted, and make sure that things work properly. I notice also on this particular one that they don't have a heater, so I'll be talking to them about getting a heater for their pool. A lot of times when people purchase homes, they like to have the capability to use their pool all year round, and unfortunately it gets a little bit chilly up here in the Northeast Florida, but not too bad. But when it's green, good luck. You're going to have to fix it. You're going to have to make sure it's done right. And the other thing is if you got a heater, that gives you the capability to pretty much be able to use your pool all year round, especially, you know, no lower than 65 degrees, 60 degrees, because then you could probably end up having some issues. But you use a solar blanket, you use your heater, you make your pool look good. But here, like I said, we get some really great weather, about 9 great months of the year, but there are a couple of months where the water's too cold, so by having a heater, it'll really make a difference. And today, like I said,